Hi everyone, Michelle here today. Today I'm going to be making a fun little layered card. So I'm using my dies today as well as the beautiful paper kit and from the main kit as well as embellishments and some of these stickers. This is super simple to make. I'm going to go ahead and grab my scoreboard and grab a 4x12 sheet of paper. I'm simply going to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. You can go ahead and fold it up. It doesn't really matter which direction you fold your paper, it's really just preference, but this is the way that I'm folding mine because I wanted the images to show this way. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my hexagon layered nesting dies and I'm going to go ahead and stick it on here with some washi prior to running it through my die machine. So you kind of want to just center it and figure out where you want that first piece to be, and then you're going to take the smaller, just one under that, and layer it just a little off the side from the top. So I'm just kind of like inching my way that way. So hold on, let me just fix this real quick. And then I've got this one just a little bit over. Now you want to go ahead and run it through your die machine and just make sure it's unfolded when you do it. And now, once you run it through die, you're going to get it look like this. So pretty, right? So once you do this, you're simply going to grab some, you save these pieces, by the way. I want to show you what to do with these little scrap pieces after you're done with your project, so you don't want to waste those pieces. I'm using double-sided foam tape because I like to give a little bit of dimension when I'm layering my things like mini albums and cards. I'm just going to stick this here because I just love the way that it looks. And I just want to, kind of eyeball everything to see how it's going to look. And I just test a few different die pieces to make sure that it's going to be the look that I want. But definitely use your other layers to make it have that really pretty effect. So as you can see, I'm going to stick it on the second page, and you have this. And in some of my cards, if you noticed before, I did add a little layer to the back, but I didn't do it to all of them. It just depends. I'm going to grab some of my gemmies because I think they look awesome on these little flowers. It adds just the right touch to it. I'm just going to go ahead and see if I can place another one. And my little foam, I had to actually fix that and tear that off. So make sure your foam's kind of not hanging on the back right there, and just peel it off as you go along. And now I have a little smaller piece that I found that I just want to stick on the back. This is a great way to give cards for birthdays, all that kind of stuff. You could even probably, if you want, make a shaker behind it with like a little baggie or in between. And sorry, I'm just fixing my phone tape because I didn't realize how far down I went on my card. But it came out so pretty. I just love this layered look. And now I'm just going to add some lettering. You could say happy birthday, you could say, whatever you want to do. Right now I'm just going to pretend like maybe this is just a hello. So I'm going to write hello. I love these mini stickers. They just add such a nice touch to all of our projects currently. And my favorite part about them is the transition color you get. So it's not just solid, it's like it goes from lighter blue to darker and to like teal. So it's so pretty, so you can see like the transition. And now I want to show you, so you take these little scrap pieces, I want to show you how easy it is to make an embellishment. So what I did was I sewed a little, around it and made this beautiful little piece. And you could even add that inside as well. But this is just simple. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Hip Cut to get more videos.